Well, here's a great, healthy, easy school lunch idea. I started by flouring some boneless chicken. The flour was a little seasoned, and I fried the chicken, um, and it looks like that. Then I chopped up some onion and garlic, and I put them in a pan to start the sauce. Here's the sauce. As you can see, all those nice onion and garlic pieces in there. I threw a lot of water and some soy sauce. The soy sauce is going to go in there to be like the base of it. There's a beautiful picture of my chicken. And here are the vegetables that I'm going to also add in. I'm steaming them now. They're broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, nothing too fancy. I'm going to let that steam, and then I'm going to throw it into the sauce with the chicken. It adds a little health to this dish. Here, I added some cornstarch to the same sauce that I showed before. It cooks up real fast, guys. So I added like the cornstarch slurry here, and you can see the difference in the consistency. You see all the little shredded garlic pieces and yummy flavor coming out in there. I added the chicken and some chopped peppers. I forgot to show the chopped peppers before. And I tossed them around in the sauce. I added a little red pepper, the red pepper flakes that I got here. Not too much because this is for school lunch and I do want to keep it kid friendly. And it goes good with ginger. I forgot to say that I put ginger. These vegetables, they started like boiling. They had so much water in them. So I just strained out the water. And here is the chicken. They're going to get the vegetables in with them. And this is the result after I mixed in the vegetables. I saved them just in time before they got too mushy. And I mixed the chicken, the vegetables, the peppers, and all the seasonings together into this lovely combination. I've had stuff like this at the restaurant all the time, and my son loves it. It's healthy. It's well balanced. I'm proud. Now, all you have to do is think of a good side to go with this. I put this over white rice because, that's what I had on hand. Totally easy to make. And here you can see a nice little bowl, and it doesn't have to be like super big portion. I just put a bowl. I don't know if you can see the rice in there. Plain white rice. All right, so enjoy. Share it, like it, subscribe, and all that great stuff. Bye.